Waste Connections is the premier provider of solid waste collection, transfer, recycling and disposal, and resource recovery services. We've been in business for over 25 years and generate annual revenues of over $8 billion. We are 23,000 employees strong and growing, operating in 46 U.S. states and 6 provinces in Canada, with over 800 locations, including 103 landfills. We also provide non-hazardous oil field waste treatment, as well as regional intermodal services for the rail haul movement of cargo and solid waste containers. At Waste Connections, the safety of our employees, our customers, and the communities we serve take first priority in all that we do. This commitment, along with our practice of servant leadership and our commitment to a cleaner environment for the local communities where we live and work, differentiates us from our competitors. Waste Connections' CCR program promotes the beneficial use of materials generated from current coal-burning power plants, harvesting from on-site landfills and impoundments, and future residuals that will come from CCR legacy sites. For those CCR materials too contaminated for beneficial use, we will construct a Subtitle D landfill for final disposition, with full indemnification. We work with operating coal-burning power plants, closed CCR impoundments and landfills, as well as soon-to-be regulated legacy sites. We understand all aspects for handling CCRs under all conditions, whether it be state or federal regulations. Here is what the Waste Connections CCR program can do for you. Finance and build a Subtitle D landfill on your site, along with the installation of dry ash handling systems to meet the new effluent limit guidelines. Work with your operating coal-burning power plants, closed CCR impoundments and landfills, as well as soon-to-be regulated legacy sites. Construct monofill landfill cells for coal ash that later can be harvested for beneficial use. Provide rail transportation to beneficial use site or final disposition of CCRs. Take care of dewatering on-site impoundments necessary for transportation, and the completion of the paint filter test for landfill storage and/or disposal. Decommission your coal-burning power plant, including demolition, recycling, and disposal of construction and demolition waste, as well as management of on-site CCR materials. We have alliance agreements with third-party approved vendors for dewatering services, trucking and/or rail transport, and other ancillary services.
Since the EPA promulgated the coal combustion residual rule in 2015, we have been working tirelessly developing programs and improving existing programs that we currently market to the coal ash industry. Our number one priority to you is to use your residuals beneficially into the markets. For the past 3 years, we've been harvesting 1,200 tons a day of fly ash from a closed landfill. This fly ash is used in a cement kiln as a raw feed material in Florida for the manufacturing of cement. Where markets aren't available to accept the fly ash, we store the material in a Subtitle D landfill, and then later we can come back and harvest the material as the markets become available. Recently, we acquired the Arrowhead landfill in Alabama. This is the largest rail-served industrial site in the United States. The site has 3 on-site rail spurs, with each spur holding 110 rail cars. The site can also take 15,000 tons a day with an airspace capacity for 62 years. We'll be building a CCR monofill cell at the Arrowhead facility to specifically take CCR materials that can't go directly into commerce. Later, we will come back and harvest these CCR materials and sell them when markets are available. Waste Connection indemnifies all approved CCR materials going into our landfills. Waste Connections is here to handle your residuals safely and responsibly.
The Waste Connections Coal Combustion Residuals Management Program. Safe, secure, stable.